Good morning. Hi. Oh, do you know Billy's voice, do you? Yeah? Wakey, wakey. Oh, big boy, wakey, wakey. Yeah. Oh, good morning. Hello. Oh, are you tired? Oh, big yawn. Oh my. Life is hard. Don't go back to sleep on me. Good morning. Hello. Are you ready for something to eat and a day of play? A day of exploring? Yeah? Oh my, that's a yawn. Say hello world. I'm ready to take you on again. Oh. So daddy boy? Are you daddy boy? Yeah? I think you are. You're a big suck already. Your eye looks good. Barely any pus or anything in it. There's a little tiny bit in the corner. You almost wake yet? Oh, he said now he's waking up. He's waking up. Oh. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Said hi, Tungi. And here's his vigor. He says, "I's healthy, good lungs." I gotta go eat now, though.